Okay, this is a pretty cool solution. So I ordered these parts and then they're back ordered 2 to 3 months. So we got a break here. This was broken in 3 different pieces. And this is pretty critical for, mounting the headlight and the windscreen as well as these. So I had this cool idea to pre-drill some holes and then use wire to keep it, add strength, and then while it's drying, provide some strength to it. And then I use these little pieces of Kydex as some kind of lateral support, and it feels pretty solid. And it's the JB Weld 3770 psi, so should be pretty good. Anyway, so this is the right hand side, so it kind of basically goes like this. So I'm gonna let it dry for 24 hours and then, just to be safe, and then tomorrow morning before it gets hot, I'll do some more. Looks like there's a missing piece here, so I might use some of my JB Weld or fiber weld, or got a whole bunch of different JB products. But it took me about an hour. If you buy these new, if you were able to get them, this is about $300 worth of stuff. So it takes me an hour and some work. Just want to get my bike back on. So pretty darn cool.